Today on this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at something very cool, the Tektro Orion P. This is the 4+2 variant, and it is a really nice hydraulic brake setup from Tektro. Now, the part number for this is HD-M745, and the idea here is this is a high power controllable brake system, and we'll talk about how they managed to do that. But basically, it's an open system with a 4-piston design on the caliper, and it's going to run mineral oil for your brake fluid. Now, when we look at the lever, you'll notice that the whole lever here, this is actually a cast aluminum reservoir and bracket, and then you'll see that the lever itself is forged aluminum. Now, it is going to have a great reach adjustment here, so we're going to be able to dial in reach. And the other thing that I really love about this lever is its compatibility. So you can actually see this hole on the bottom, and if we open up the lever clamp, you'll see on the inside it's got a spot for an anchor. Basically, what that's going to allow you to do is you can actually run this both with Ispec-II, which is Shimano's standard for integration with a shifter, or you can actually run this with SRAM's standard Matchmaker as well. And that is just such a cool thing because you can make this brake integrate with both SRAM and Shimano. So it really doesn't matter what you're adding to it. The caliper itself, as we said before, this caliper is a 4-piston caliper. It's actually a forged aluminum body. So as you can see here, it's a 2-piece design. There's a little slit through the center, 2 bolts to hold it together. And with those 4 pistons, it's going to do a really great job of managing heat and also creating some real clamping pressure. Now, the other neat thing is this is a top load brake, so you can actually just unscrew this threaded bolt for the carrier, pull both of the brake pads right out through the top, so you don't even have to take the caliper off when you're doing a brake change. Now, talking about brake pads, these are actually a high performance metal ceramic compound. These are actually made by EBC. It's kind of cool to see a motorsports company making some brake pads for Tektro. Now, one of the things I definitely like about this brake lever is it's got a little more linear feel than, say, a Shimano brake lever, so it's not that kind of grabby off-on feel. And you've got sort of the progressive goodness that you get with, say, like a SRAM guide. Well, let's go ahead and see what this brake set weighs when we place it onto a scale. So this Tektro Orion P brake front version comes in with brake pads at a reasonably light 290 grams. Well, thanks for watching this video on the Tektro Orion P brake. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments below what you think about this brake. And as always, click that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this into the future, and hit that like button. Just show me that you enjoyed it.